Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist. So today we're looking at a Tiffin Van Leigh, and it's actually in here for us to do the frame flex testing and possible repair depending on what we find and how bad it is. So we're going to be doing some testing on this one later this week or probably the beginning of next week. As you can see, one of the tattletale signs is the molding that's broke loose, and as you come back further you can see how it's substantially dropped. And so when the weight is up on this, it's actually picking it up and moving and disturbing it. It's also flexing the back wall, causing the back wall to get separated on the sealants. So we're going to do our testing on it, see if anything else is moving. I don't currently see any cracks or anything in the front cap down below. I can see a little bit of a rub mark up here where it's been hitting on that. But we're going to check it all out, see what we can find out, and let the owners know, and then we will take it from there. So if you have, it doesn't matter what brand of unit, when we have what was locally referred to as like the frame flex issues, that's not something that's too new. I mean, it's got a lot more information since then, but we've had it on Keystones, we've had it on Forest Rivers, we've had it on Jayco's, we've had it on a bunch of other brands that are here on the lot. And sometimes what happens is, you have to make an emergency stop, and that will cause a buckling situation, or you've gone over some kind of a bridge or something and had this great big, ba-bonk, and, something breaks loose. So keep in mind, these things aren't unbreakable. Sometimes too, wrong truck, wrong pin box, wrong hitch, the way that we drive them and whatnot. So anyway, stay tuned for more, and we'll let you know what we find on this one as we get into it. Thanks so much for watching.